Welcome back to this video, and in today's tutorial you are going to learn how to simply center text in Photoshop. So let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Photoshop. Then you have to come to the bottom right here, click on here to make a new layer. Then having make a new layer, next thing you need to do is to go to your type tool right here, click and hold down, make sure you choose your horizontal type tool. The next thing I'm going to do is to make use of the top right here to change my font style. So in this tutorial, I'm going to make use of Roboto font. Then I'm going to change from Roboto black to bold. Okay. Then I'm going to leave the font size to be something like 60. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here just for me to choose a color. So I'm going to choose dark black right here. Okay. Then I'm going to click on OK right here. Boom. So after a proper formatting of your text, next thing we want to do is to simply come to the workspace and we want to click once, then we simply type in center. Then I'll press enter to move to the next paragraph text. Now we need to format this particular text right here, such as text spacing and gap. So for me to do that, first things first, I have to press Ctrl A just to select or highlight all the text. Next thing I need to do is to come to the top right here, go to type. Then from type, I have to go to panel. Then from panel, I have to go to character panel. Then from character panel right here, we have to change from the 27 interval right here. I'm making it into auto. Okay. Next thing I need to do is to switch to paragraph. Then from paragraph right here, I'm going to use center alignment text right here. Boom. Then next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on move to right here. Now, we want to center this text into the midpoint of the Photoshop workspace. What we want to do is to come to the top right here, we go to select, and we make sure we click on all, or you press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. This allows you to have the interlace around the Photoshop workspace. Next thing you want to do right here is to come to the alignment panel right here. Make sure you align horizontal center, then come to align vertical center. Then once you are able to align to the point of the center, next thing you want to do is to go back to select, then make sure you click on the select, or you press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard, then the interlace is going to be disappear. Then you can press Ctrl minus, then this allows your Photoshop workspace to zoom in. So as a result of this, you are able to center text into the midpoint in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.